Machines are the heart of any production. At HOMAG, we support this with an all-round repair service so that the heart never stands still. With regular repairs and maintenance of machine components, we can significantly increase the lifetime of your machine. This increases the likelihood of a long service life and ensures steady peak performance of your machine. Our range of repairs is as versatile as our machines, whether machine PCs, electronic cards, glue, or CNC units. We give your machine components a second life and ensure a sustainable, efficient, and responsible use of resources. Our repair service is simple, fast, and professional. Use our HOMAG eShop for an uncomplicated order process. The fixed prices are directly visible, and clear inventory levels provide you with transparency and planning reliability. So that your operation does not come to a standstill in the event of a repair, we also offer you exchange units as a special extra, which you can order directly. It's fast and uncomplicated. Then you remove the affected part, pack it, enclose the printed order form, and send it directly to us. At our service locations, your part will be cleaned, serviced, and repaired by certified and specialized technicians. With decades of experience and high-quality tools, we turn old into new. We put your part through its paces using the latest measuring and testing methods. We also assure you of this with our 12-month warranty promise. Afterwards, your reconditioned part leaves the factory. After successful installation, the part runs like it did on the first day. With regular repairs directly from the manufacturer, you effectively avoid production downtimes, conserve valuable resources, and also develop the full potential of your machine in the long term. Have any further questions? Then simply contact our HOMAG service experts directly. HOMAG, your solution.